Hi, I'm Jim ZWACK from the Davey Institute, North America's premier tree research laboratory, and today we're talking trees. One of the most popular questions we get is how to correctly plant a tree. When we think about tree planting, we like to think of it as right tree, right place, right way. Start with your goals. Are you looking for a tree that offers breathtaking flowering in spring or dramatic color in the fall? Maybe you're looking for more shade or a wind or privacy screen. You might be interested in trees that help pollinators thrive, or trees with lower pollen counts to reduce allergies. Trees can also be selected based on their ability to address drainage or erosion issues, provide a food source for birds and other animals, provide curb appeal, and a host of other reasons. Visit our blog for a deeper dive into tree selection. Next, think about how well your property fits your goals. This comes down to a few basics. Let's start with the soil. In order to determine whether the tree you're interested in is compatible with your property, you will need to conduct a basic soil test. This will help you determine soil pH and available nutrients in the soil. Next, you'll need to know which trees thrive in your specific climate. The USDA provides a plant hardiness zone map based on average annual extreme minimum temperatures. You can use this to correlate the zone you live in with specific tree species. Finally, we need to talk about where you want to plant your new tree, or right place. Start by determining the height and spread of your tree at maturity. Too often, trees are placed based on their size when planted, which can lead to headaches later as trees grow larger, potentially interfering with structures, utility lines, and other plantings. Avoid planting trees too close to overhead power lines, homes, septic systems, your driveway or decorative landscape features, underground utility lines, and other trees. As you can see, it pays to spend quite a bit of time talking about right tree and right place before we ever get to planting. That investment will pay off in helping your new tree thrive. So now, let's talk about the right way to plant a tree.